Hello guys, welcome to the Flying Automation channel. In this video, we will learn about switch case activity. There is two switch case activity available in UiPath. First, switch activity and second is flow switch activity. We will understand both activity here. So, firstly, we will understand why we are using switch activity. So, switch activity using for multiple. You have a multiple scenario, and each scenario you perform any another activity. Suppose that you have a multiple scenario, and in one scenario you want to perform any another activity, and in second scenario you perform another activity. Then we will use switch case activity. We will understand with example. So let's go to the UiPath Studio and see this activity. So here for time saving, I have already created a one program. So I will describe this program and then we will run this program and show you the output. What is the output? So here uh, I'm creating one program using switch activity. So firstly we will understand switch activity, then we will understand flow switch activity. So in this program, I have taken one input dialog box for taking input from user. So in this activity, I am providing some uh, taking user. Here I'm writing in the title section, enter your choice. In label, I'm providing the statement. I will show you. So please enter any number and using environment new line. For I'm using this because I want to I want to change the line. In the below line I want to print the first Monday. So I will show the example. You can see here like this. Please enter any number, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So printing like this. So I am using the environment dot new line. So I hope you understand this statement. So I am writing this statement because print the format that I show you. So after that, I have created one variable that is input. Uh, Input variable type is integer. Okay. So then I taken one activity that is a switch activity. So in switch activity, in the in expression, I have provided the input. So according to this input value, change the condition here, case here. So if in the input I'm providing the one, then go to the first case. If I'm providing the input second, then go to the second case. So each case I have written the message box. You can see here written a different message box like Tuesday here, Wednesday here, Thursday here. So each case I have provided a different message. So according to the scenario, perform the another case here. So firstly I run this activity program and then we'll show you the output. So run this program. You can see the format here. So enter your choice. Please enter any number like here providing the 5 number. So output is wake up and ready for office. It's a Friday today. Again I run this program. Press 7 here. Wake up and enjoy your weekends. It's a Sunday today. Why it's message printing? Because of our conditions. Here, I have pressed the 7, then go to the 7 case here and printing this message. So I hope you understand the flow switch activity. After that, we'll go to the flow switch. So for flow switch, I have created another program like similar. So in this program, firstly, one requirement is here. You can use flow switch in the flow chart activity. In the without flow chart activity, you cannot use flow switch activity. So if you want to use the flow switch activity, then first you need to first take the flow chart activity. Go to the search bar and search flowchart and take this activity flowchart. Here I'm taking this flowchart activity. In this activity, you can take the flow switch. Like here I'm using flow switch. So it's a compulsory for switch flow switch case. So input dialogs box I'm using for taking the input from user. After that, I'm providing the here in the flow switch. I'm providing the value like here input, uh, and after that, here is a condition starting from the default. Yeah, here is default. If you are providing the not match the condition, then go to the default section. And the first case is 0 case, and second is 1, third is 2, fourth is third. So this is the flow switch activity. So I run this flow also and show you the output. Run file here. You can see here on Monday I'm providing 0 because flow switch start with the 0. So if I'm providing here 0 value, then message is wake up and ready for office. It's a Monday because you can see here uh, our message is connected with the 0 port. So in the switch case, multiple ports here. You can see the 3 ports here and below 3 ports, 3 ports. So here is the multiple ports. So second message is connected with the 0 port, and first is a default port. So in this 0 case, you can see the message. It's a Monday today. So it's working fine. So I hope you understand the both activity here, switch activity and flow switch activity. If you have any doubt, please write your query in the comment section. We'll provide the solution. So that's it for today. We will meet in the next video. Thanks for watching this video.